So this thing here is just a little homemade contraption that I put together one time. At one point I had that Cadillac motor on here. At another time I was using it to move bodies around. I decided to cut this little piece off that's right in the front here and put that trailer hitch on here. That way I can hook this to a car, lawnmower, Jeep or something and move it around the yard, because it's still a pretty handy thing to have if you're moving anything around the yard. And it wouldn't take much to cut this little piece of pipe off. I just basically grind these welds off and then stick this pipe up there and weld it back on. I'll probably have that done in a few minutes, literally. So y'all just bear with me here, or don't. You don't have to bear with me if you don't want to. You can go watch somebody else. I don't mind, because I'm not jealous like your ex-girlfriend was. That's not the way I roll. Y'all hang with whoever you want. If you want to hang with me, you will. Oh, the joy. So I'll run that one out back, put it away somewhere, and then we'll come back and start digging through the pile over there and pulling some axles out and stuff. I had a bunch of rainwater collecting in the back of my truck when I moved it. It's pouring out. That's one good reason for moving it, was to get that out of there. Oh, the joy. Alright, so I'm going to try to put these tires back out of the way again like they were before and back this in there. I'm a pretty good backer. I got some backing skills that I got left over from my truck driving days. Another thing on my list, I got a few things. I got a little list going. Looks like we're not going back to Georgia real soon on account of this virus, so I got things on my list to do. But one of them is try to do something with my boat back there. It seems like it's being pretty neglected right now. Let me go move inside. I could just sit y'all back here on the tailgate. That way you get a better view. You can yell at me if I'm about to run over something. Or something like that. Do it right there. I do believe. Being kind of careful not to grab a hot spot there. Guess I was welding that area. Oh, the joy. Oh, it wouldn't hurt to go take a look at this boat. I know the tarp's all blown off of it, but yeah, I think mostly still it's mostly pretty protected. That's a nice boat there. I might do something with that. This is a good trailer here too. That's the other one I was talking about putting fenders on the other day. Yeah, nothing wrong with that trailer. Except it's got electric brakes, but I ain't never hooked them up. Oh joy.